Do you remember March 11th, 2011? A date that shook Japan to its very core? On this day, the land of the rising sun was plunged into an abyss of despair as it grappled with the aftermath of one of the most devastating natural disasters in its history. An earthquake of unprecedented magnitude struck off the Pacific coast of Tohoku, triggering a colossal tsunami that washed over the eastern seaboard of Japan. The towering waves, reaching heights of up to 40 meters, swept away entire towns, leaving behind a trail of destruction and despair. This disaster was not just a tale of nature's fury, but a story of human tragedy. Thousands lost their lives. Homes, livelihoods, and communities were washed away in a matter of minutes. The country, known for its resilience in the face of adversity, was left reeling from the scale of the devastation. But there was more. The tsunami had another, more insidious consequence. It struck the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant, leading to a nuclear disaster. As the waves crashed over the protective seawalls, they flooded the plant's cooling systems, triggering a series of meltdowns and explosions. The fallout from this nuclear disaster was far-reaching, contaminating vast areas of land and forcing tens of thousands of residents to evacuate their homes, perhaps never to return. This was not just an earthquake or a tsunami. It was a catastrophe that combined the destructive forces of nature with the perils of nuclear technology. It was a stark reminder of the vulnerability of human constructs in the face of nature's might. Japan, a country that has learned to coexist with earthquakes and tsunamis over centuries, was confronted with a disaster of a magnitude that surpassed all known models and predictions. It was a grim reminder that while we may strive to predict and prepare for natural disasters, nature always has the upper hand. This catastrophe was a wake-up call for Japan, a country well-versed in the language of natural disasters. It was a call to action, a call to rethink and reinforce their defenses against the relentless and unpredictable onslaught of nature's fury. In the wake of the disaster, Japan made a bold move. A resolution was made, a commitment to protect the people and the land from the wrath of the sea. The Japanese government, recognizing the devastating potential of tsunamis, decided to take a stand against nature's fury. They invested billions of dollars in an ambitious project. The goal? To construct a tsunami shield, a 400-kilometer long and toweringly tall concrete wall along the vulnerable coast. This was not just a wall, but a symbol of resilience, a testament to Japan's determination to safeguard its future. This colossal barrier had a twofold mission. First, to weaken the mighty waves that tsunamis brought with them, reducing their destructive power. By breaking the momentum of these oceanic giants, the wall aimed to lessen the devastation they could wreak on the coastal communities that lay in their path. The second role of the tsunami shield was to buy time. In the face of an incoming tsunami, every second counts. This wall was designed to hold back the onslaught, to provide those precious extra moments for people to evacuate. It was a bulwark against the sea, a line in the sand that said, "No further." This massive undertaking was a testament to human ingenuity and determination. The Japanese government marshaled resources, technology, and manpower in a monumental effort to protect their coastal communities and critical infrastructure. The tsunami shield was a symbol of hope, a beacon of resilience against the unpredictable power of the sea. But we must remember that in the face of nature's might, even the most formidable human creations can be tested. The 2011 tsunami had shown that its waves could exceed the designed height of the walls, causing unimaginable damage and failing to protect the Fukushima nuclear power plant. The question remained, had Japan built a wall high enough and strong enough to withstand the next tsunami? A monumental effort indeed, but was it enough? As we'll see, the answer is a complex one. Tune in for the next scene as we delve into the shield's test and failure. The tsunami shield faced its first test sooner than expected. In March of 2011, an earthquake with a magnitude of 9.0 off the northeast coast of Japan triggered a devastating tsunami. This powerful force of nature surged toward the coast, its monstrous waves mounting higher and higher. The tsunami shield, with its nearly 400 kilometers of tall concrete walls, stood ready to defend. But the colossal waves were not to be tamed. They roared over the concrete defenses, overtopping the walls designed to protect Japan's coastal communities and infrastructure. The walls, built to weaken the tsunami waves and buy precious evacuation time, were simply not tall enough to hold back the tsunami's fury. The waves raced inland, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. The most catastrophic failure of the shield was its inability to protect the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant. The plant's defenses were breached by the tsunami, leading to a nuclear disaster that added a new layer of horror to the already grim situation. The plant's reactors went into meltdown, releasing radioactive material into the environment and forcing a mass evacuation. The aftermath was a chilling reminder of the power of nature and the limitations of human engineering. The Tsunami Shield, a billion-dollar investment that was meant to safeguard Japan from the devastating impact of tsunamis, had been defeated. The walls had been designed to withstand the power of a tsunami, but the 2011 waves exceeded their anticipated height. The shield had been tested and found wanting. The aftermath was heartbreaking. Thousands of lives lost, homes and livelihoods destroyed, and a nuclear disaster that would take years to contain and even longer to recover from. The nation was left to grapple with the tragic consequences of the shield's failure, a stark reminder of the unpredictable power of nature. The tsunami shield had been built to protect, but when faced with the raw power of a tsunami, it had proven inadequate. The devastation left in the wake of the 2011 tsunami posed a daunting question for Japan and the world. The shield had fallen short. What now? Faced with the shield's shortcoming, Japan was forced to rethink its strategy. The 2011 disaster had proven that the existing tsunami walls, while formidable, were not enough to combat the sheer force of nature. The waves had simply overtopped the walls, causing widespread destruction and leading to the Fukushima nuclear disaster. Experts were quick to voice their insights. They argued that bigger walls were needed, walls that could withstand the might of tsunamis, even larger than those of 2011. They advocated for a shield that could not only weaken the strong waves, but also handle potential overtopping. The goal? To buy precious time for evacuation and minimize the catastrophic aftermath. The government, keenly aware of the stakes, responded by investing billions of dollars into reinforcing the tsunami shield. The objective was clear: to build a defense system robust enough to stand against the wrath of the ocean. The task was gargantuan. Nearly 400 kilometers of coastline had to be fortified with towering concrete walls. Engineers and construction workers toiled day and night, pouring concrete, erecting steel reinforcements, and ensuring every inch of the wall met the new height requirements. But it wasn't just about size. The design of the walls had to be reimagined too. The experts proposed innovative solutions, such as incorporating wave-dissipating blocks and sloping designs to further reduce the impact of the waves. Moreover, the government sought to bolster the shield with advanced warning systems and evacuation plans. They understood that the shield, no matter how robust, was just one part of a comprehensive tsunami defense strategy. In the face of adversity, Japan showed its mettle. The nation rallied, putting its technological prowess and indomitable spirit to work. The relentless effort to reinforce the shield is a testament to the country's resilience and determination to protect its people and land from the devastating power of tsunamis. The journey to reinforce the tsunami shield is a testament to Japan's resilience. The work continues, and with each passing day, the shield grows stronger, a symbol of the nation's unwavering resolve to stand against the force of nature. Japan's tsunami shield is more than just a wall. It is a symbol. It's a symbol of resilience, a testament to human ingenuity, and a beacon of hope in the face of nature's fury. The shield stands tall, representing Japan's commitment to protecting its people and their livelihoods from the wrath of the sea. This concrete guardian safeguards not just homes and businesses, but also the very fabric of society, offering a sense of security and fostering community resilience. When we look at Japan's tsunami shield, we see the embodiment of a nation's determination to fight against the odds. These towering concrete walls, stretching nearly 400 kilometers along the coast, are a physical manifestation of Japan's resolve to never let a disaster of the magnitude of the 2011 tsunami happen again. The shield also serves as a reminder of the unforgiving strength of nature and the vulnerability of human life in its wake. The 2011 earthquake and tsunami in Japan resulted in a staggering loss of life and property, and triggered a nuclear disaster that shook the world. The tsunami waves exceeded the designed height of the walls, causing widespread destruction and failing to protect the Fukushima nuclear power plant. However, instead of admitting defeat, Japan took this as a lesson learned. The government invested billions of dollars in building and reinforcing the shield, making it taller and stronger to withstand potential overtopping in future tsunamis. From Japan's experience, other nations can learn valuable lessons. The importance of investing in robust defense systems cannot be overstated. As we move forward, it's crucial to learn from past mistakes, constantly improve our defenses, and prepare for the worst, while hoping for the best. Japan's Tsunami Shield is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and resilience. It stands as a symbol of hope, a beacon guiding us towards a safer future. It reminds us of the importance of preparedness, the value of resilience, and the indomitable spirit of humanity. Japan's Tsunami Shield, a beacon of hope and a testament to human resilience in the face of nature's fury.